Stairs tutorial. Select the Stairs tool.
Important.
The first point of the stairs must be placed on the terrace boundary. You can continue in any direction. Double-click to finish. Let me see what kind of stairs we got. Here is the result. Now let's try changing the position. Let's look at the result. Move it back. Change the stair width. Default width is 1 meter. Let's set it to 1.5 meters. Or 0.8 meters. Take a look again. Better change it back to 1 meter. Let's draw another staircase a bit more complex. With a bend, double-click to finish. Here is our result. Stairs are super easy. Thank you for watching.